Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to allow everyone to mention you on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu and select Settings. Scroll down until you reach the How Others Can Interact with You section. Under this section, you'll see multiple options. Find and tap on Tags and Mentions. Here, you can adjust your settings for tags and mentions. To allow mentions, first, tap on Who Can Tag You and select Allow Tags from Everyone. Then, scroll down to Who Can Mention You and choose Allow Mentions from Everyone. Your changes will be saved automatically. And now, everyone on Instagram can mention you in their posts, comments, and stories. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.